Yes, hi dear students, welcome back to session 12. Yes, in the previous session we have discussed the concept of geometric progression and also up to 5 questions in a 9.3 exercise. As today I am going to discuss the remaining concept in the geometric progression, okay, and also the remaining problems also in same exercise. Okay, the first I will take on 2 examples. Listen carefully. Here 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 up to so on. Okay, up to so on. Is an example of GP or an AP? Tell me anybody? Yes, come on. 100% is an GP, geometric progression. Here what is the first term A and common ratio is 2. Here 4 divided by 2, okay, is equal to 2. 8 divided by 4 also 2. 16 divided by 8 also 2. Therefore, the common ratio. Okay. Here in the geometric progression is also one of the GP, means geometric progression is multiplied by some constant number or divided by some constant number. Okay, multiplied by 2 or multiplied by 1. Okay, multiplied by 1. As here 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Same number is also GP. Okay, or divided by some 2. Okay, divided by 2. Listen, as 1, next 2, as next, tell me 2 4s are. Okay, next as 2 8s, next 2 16s up to so on is also an GP, is also an GP. But some constant number is addition or subtraction from the given geometric progression. Here subtraction from 1, yes 1, next 3 subtract from a given GP. Okay, so 7, 8 minus 1 7, 16 minus 1 15, next 31 up to so on. Is an GP. First you observe as 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3, 7 divided by 3 is equal to 3 2s, next as 2.3. Therefore, the ratios are different. Therefore, is not a GP, is not a GP. Okay. Therefore, according to these examples, and also therefore add one number as therefore the constant 1 adding the given GP. 2 plus 1 3. Okay, listen, 2 plus 1 3, next 4 plus 1 5, next 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 adding the given geometric progression. Okay, 9, next 17, next 33 up to so on. 5 divided by 3, how much? 3 1s, next 2 is there, 3.36 1.6. Here 9 by 5, here 1, 1.8. Therefore, the different ratios, therefore is also not a GPS. Therefore, according to these example, one of the wonderful conclusion result is there. Okay, as in a GP, so means if a constant is added to, if some constant, okay, some constant k, I will take some constant k, but here some constant 1, here some constant 2. Okay, if some constant k is added to each, so means is multiplied or divided by some each term of a GP, each term in a GP, therefore then the resultant sequence is also an GP. Okay, therefore the resultant sequence will be a GP also. Therefore, and also if a constant, if some for some constant is divided by some non-zero constant k, then the resultant sequence is also an 100% GP. But addition ಮತ್ತು subtraction ಮಾಡಿದರೆ as is not a GP. If some constant add or subtracted from each term of a GP, therefore then resultant sequence is not a GP. Okay, be careful. Is 100% is one of the very important concept. Just for only for applicable here. Yes, divided by and multiplication and divided only applicable of in geometric progression. Okay, if for some constant k is one of the first note, if for some constant k is added to each multiplied by each term of any GP, therefore then the resultant sequence is also an GP. Okay, if for some constant is divided by if for some constant k is divided by some each term of in a GP, then the resultant sequence will be also an GP, 100% GP. Okay, and also listen ma'am, so means in the general condition I will write here A1, A2, A3 up to so on is an GP, is an GP, then A1K, A2K, A3K up to so on, and A1 divided by K, A2 divided by K, A3 divided by K is also an GP with the same common ratio. Okay, 100% same common ratio. And also listen, it's one of the very important point. Next one, if here if A1, so means I will take these two examples. Okay, one of the example 2, 4, 8, next 16, 32 up to so on, and another one example, some different, some starting number 3, 6, next 12, 24, 48 up to so on. Here some consider as A1, B1, C1, A1, A2, A3 up to so on, and B1, B2, B3 up to so on is an GP. So means it's a geometric progression if A1, B1, A2, B2, A3, B3 also an GP, and A1 divided by B1, A2 divided by B2 and A3 divided by B3 up to so on is also an 100% GP. Okay, yes, listen, you check it. Okay, as 2 3 is a 6, 6 4 is a 24, therefore ratio is 24 by 6 is 4, therefore same ratio is also formation. And also A1 divided by B1, so means here consider as A1, A2, A3, A4 up to so on, here B1, B2, B3 up to so on. Okay, yes, here the ratio is 2 by 3, the first one 2 by 3, next A2 divided by 3 means, tell me, here 4 divided by 6. Okay, next 8 divided by 12, here also 2 by 3, 2 2s are 2 3s are, therefore the ratio is here 2 by 3, and again therefore divided by 2 by 3, 3 get cancelled, 2 get cancelled, therefore the ratio is 1 here also, therefore 2 4s are 2 6s are, again 4 by 6 divided by 4 by 6, therefore automatically get cancelled, the ratio is common ratio is 1. Therefore according to this example, one of the conclusion, one of the very important conclusion, if A1, B1, C1, A1, A2, A3 up to so on, and B1, B2, B3 up to so on is an GP, then automatically A1 B1, A2 B2, A3 B3 up to so on, and A1 by B1, A2 by B2, A3 by B3 up to so on is an 100% GP. Okay, the next point is one of the very important. Here A1, A2, so means A1, A2, A3 up to so on is an GP. Therefore, then 1 by A1, 1 by A2, 1 by A3 up to so on is also an 100% GP. Therefore, here the reciprocal of a terms also 100% GP. If A1, so means the reciprocal, if A1, A2, A3, A1, A2, A3 up to so on is an GP, then the reciprocal also, then reciprocal is also an GP. So means 1 by A1, 1 by A2, 1 by A3 up to so on is also an GP, is one of the very important point. Okay, as the next one, the last point here, listen. Yes, 2 4, I will take some example. Tell me ma, 6 okay, sorry, 3 6 12 24 48. Okay, next 96. Okay, up to 96. Under mean here, listen, how many terms there have? 5 definite, the finite GP means a finite number of terms is there, and also are nothing but of A1, A2, A3 up to so on AN is an GP. Okay, is an GP. Then is one of the very important point. Then as A1 and AN. A1 into AN is equal to A2 into AN minus 1 before the term, the last term, is equal to A3 into AN minus 2 up to so on. One of the very important point. Example nodi. I will take one example. Has 3 and 96 ma. Okay. 3 and 96. So means 6 2 is 6 3 is 18. 1. 9 3 is 27. Sure 100%. 18 1. Next 6 3 is 9 3 is 27 28. 288 is equal to 6 into 48. You check it. As 6 8 is 48. 8 here 4 is there. 24 plus 4 28. 288 is equal to 12 into 24 also obviously 228. Okay. And therefore here as A1 AN is equal to A2 the last, yes, before the term, the last term in the previous term. So means AN minus 1 is equal to A3 into AN minus 2 is equal to up to so on. Is one of the very important point. And also the last one, as if ABC are in GP, then if ABC are in GP, okay, ABC are in GP ma, are in GP. So means if ABC are in GP means obviously the ratios are equal. 100%. The ratios are equal. Here what it tell me, A2 divided by A1 means B by A is equal to C by B. Here now cross multiplied. Therefore B square is equal to AC. If A, B, C are in GP, then 100% B square is equal to AC. And also another one name is also there. Therefore B is a geometric mean of A and C. Okay. The next class I will explain briefly in a geometric mean. Concept of the geometric mean. First you write neatly some these points. Okay. The first one, if for some constant is added to each term of if for some constant is multiplied by each term in a GP, therefore then the resultant sequence will be also an 100% GP. Okay. Yes. The first one, all of you write what is the first one result? Tell me. Yes, if each term in a GP, okay, if each term in a GP has the first point, if each term in a GP is multiplied by some non-zero constant k, then the resultant sequence will be in GP, will be a GP. Okay. Next, if each term is divided by some non-zero constant k, then the resultant sequence will be also in GP 100%. Okay. Now also I will give example. Next, if A1, A2, A3 some general constant, some is general condition I will take up. If A1, A2, A3 up to so on are in GP, then A1k, A2k, A3k up to so on, and A1 by k, A2 by k, A3 by k up to so on is also in GP with in same common ratio. Okay. And therefore k is must be not equal to 0. Next point, the fourth one, the reciprocal of a GP also in a GP. Listen, if A1, A2, A3 up to so on is an GP, then 100% 1 by A1, 1 by A2, 1 by A3 also an GP. Okay. Next point, the fifth one. Listen ma. I will give example also. Okay. If A1, A2, A3 and B1, B2, B3 are in GP, okay, then if A1, A2, A3 up to so on and B1, B2, B3 up to so on is an GP, then tell me anybody. Yes, come on guys. Yes, 100% A1 B1, A2 B2, okay, A1 B1, next A2 B2, next A3 B3 up to so on, and A1 B divided by B1, A2 divided by B2 up to so on, and A3 divided by B3 up to so on is also an GP. Already example ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಮ್ಮ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಹೌದು ತಾನೆ? If A1, A2, A3 and B1, B1, B2 are in as are two GPs. B1, B2, B3 are as two GPs. Okay. Then A1 into B1, A2 B2, A3 B3 up to so on, and A1 divided by B1, A2 divided by B2, A3 divided by B3 up to so on is also an 100% GP. Already given, already example also ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. Okay, be careful. Also you take as 2, 4, 8 up to so on. Next 3, 6, 12 up to so on. You check it. Okay. The next point, one of the very important point, the sixth one. Okay, if A1, A2, if A1, A2, A3 up to so on, AN is an GP, okay, then tell me condition, anybody? That's one of the very important point. It's one of the very important point. All points are is important, but this one is one of the very important point. So many stars in notebook, put even your notebook. Okay. Yes, if A1 into AN is equal to the last term of the previous term, A2 into AN minus 1 is equal to next A3 into AN minus 2 up to so on. It's one of the very important point. I will give you example also, this condition. Okay, this point. The next one. Okay, as I will give example, the point number 6th one ಗೆ example ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Here 2, 4, 8, okay, 16, 32, 64 up to so on. ಮುಂಚೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ, ಈಗ ಬೇರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. The first term here consider as A1, A2, A3 up to so on AN. Okay, then A1 into AN is equal to A2 into AN minus 1, means the last term of the previous term. So means here 2 into 6, 2 into 64. So means 2 into 64 is equal to 4 into 32. Okay, is equal to up to so on. So 100% ma. Okay, you check it. 4 2 is 8, 6 2 is 12, 128 is equal to as 8, 128, and also same 16 into 8 also 128. Okay, 8 10s are 80, 8 6 are 48. So means 128 is one of the very important, one of the very important point. Okay, yes, the last point in this session of the one of the very important point, seventh one. Yes, if A, B, C are in GP, if A, B, C are in GP, then is one of the result also given as then what is that point, tell me? Then B square is equal to AC. Then B square is equal to AC. Okay, as here, as how can be proved? What is the result? How can be proved B square is equal to AC? Yes, here B, A, B, C. Okay, here B divided by A2 divided by A1. B by A is equal to A3 divided by A2, C divided by B. Yes, now cross multiplied B square is equal to AC is one of the wonderful point. Okay, one of the very important point also. Okay. Okay, if A, B, C are in GP, then B square is equal to AC. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬಂತು ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಮಾ. Therefore A, B, C are in GP means A2 divided by 1, the common ratio. B by A is equal to C by B. Now cross multiplied B square is equal to AC, and also another name is also there. Therefore here B is called as a geometric mean of A and C. ಆ ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೆಸರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ as up to here. Okay, enough in this class. B square is equal to AC. As next goes to exercise 9.3. As hi dear students, as next goes to exercise 9.3, the first one. Next, so means up to in the previous session up to question number 5 questions already discussed ma. Okay, as now Today I am going to discuss the remaining questions in the same exercise. The first one, sixth one. For what value of x the numbers minus 2 by 7, comma x, comma minus 7 by 2, what values of x ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Yes, any idea? Yes. Listen, tell me, is in GP or in GP? Okay, and also put in question mark also. So means A, B, C are in GP, therefore obviously, yes, ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ನೋಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಮ್ಮ. If A, B, C are in GP, then B square is equal to AC, the first one, first method. Otherwise, before, according to concept of A1, A2, A3 up to so on is on GP, the ratio is A2 divided by A1, A3 divided by A2. Here, yes, A1, A2, A3, the first method. I will do first method, the first method. Listen carefully. As what is our target? Find out the value of x. Okay, here A2 divided by A1 or in GP means the common ratio is A2 divided by A1. A2 divided by A1 is equal to A3 divided by A2. The first method. Okay, clear? Here, yes, A2 means x divided by minus 2 divided by 7. Okay, is equal to, what is A3? Tell me. Yes, according to given the question, minus 7 by 2 divided by x. Yes, what is the next step? Yes, 100% now cross multiplication. Okay, cross multiplied, totally into multiplied. X into x, how much? X square is equal to minus 7 by 2 into s minus 2 divided by 7. Listen carefully. Here 2 get cancelled, 7 get cancelled, minus into minus, how much? Plus. As therefore x square is equal to 1. Therefore obviously x is equal to plus or minus 1. One more question is very important. Very important. Okay, the first method, and also another method also is there. Okay, but compulsory you write in your notebook 2 method also. Okay, but in your exam as you wish. Second method, if A, B, C are in GP, okay, just listen, A, B, C are in GP ಆದರೆ, therefore obviously what is the condition? B square is equal to AC. are in GP na ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಎಸ್ ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so therefore A2 divided by A1 is equal to A3 divided by A2. Sometimes 100% ಇದೆ, minus 2 by 7 x minus 7 by 2 are in GP ಅಂತ ಅವರು 100% ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ the given. Therefore if A, B, C are in GP, therefore what is the condition ma? B square is equal to AC. What is the B square? Here B, here A, this one C, this one minus 2 by 7 A, this one B, this one C. Therefore A, B, C. Okay, A, here B, here C. Therefore ABC means x square into A into C, minus 2 by 7. Okay, minus 2 by 7 into minus 7 divided by 2. Minus 7 divided by 2. Okay, minus 7 divided by 2. Both are get cancelled. X square is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to how much? Plus or minus 1. As you are Ishma. But textbook ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, is there in GP na? Is there GP? Therefore you check it, A2 divided by A1, A3 divided by A2. Therefore yes, x is equal to plus or minus 1. Otherwise if ABC are in GP, 100% GP ಅಂತ ಆದರೆ, yes, B square is equal to AC. Therefore x square is equal to minus 2 by 7 into minus 7 by 2. Yes, both are get cancelled, minus into minus plus. Therefore x is equal to plus or minus 1. Okay, clear? Yes. Both method you must and should be right in your notebook ma. Is one of the very important, especially for 1 mark. Yes, next goes to question number heading is there ma. Find sum to indicated number of terms in each of geometric progression in 7 to 10 ta ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Find the sum. Okay, find the sum. Yes, sum to infinite terms of a GP or sum to n terms of a GP. Sum to n terms of a GP. What is the sum to n terms of a GP formulas? Tell me. Yes, starting class already, before class already. Will explain also and proof also given. Here, sum of n terms of a GP is equal to Sn is equal to A into R power of n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. If condition also, if r is greater than 1 or also r is not equal to 1. Two formulas are there. And also reverse adre Sn is equal to a into r 1 minus r power of n divided by 1 minus r if r is less than 1. Note point ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. The ratio r ಅಂದರೆ means the ratio is greater than 1 ಆದರೆ you take a into r power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 formula. Otherwise Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r power of n divided by 1 minus r ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂದರೆ if r is the ratio is less than 1 ಆದಾಗ. ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಸರ್, ನಮಗೆ ಎರಡು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಸ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಜಿ ಪಿ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಆರ್ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಒನ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ರೇಷು ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತೊಗೊತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವಿಶ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಆರ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ 1 ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ಇಫ್ ಆರ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ 1 ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. ಎಸ್ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 7 ಮಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. As question number 7, as all of you write for 7th one. I will explain only for 2 problems. In remaining 2 homework. Tell me which one? Okay, the 7th one also I will explain, as and 10th one also explain. Okay, both these 2 questions are homework. Similar, same question. Here a 1 minus a square minus a cube. Homework questions ma. In this session 2 questions homework. Okay, the first one 7th one. Again write 0.15, next 0.015. Okay, the next 0.0015 up to so on 20 terms. 20 terms. The nice question is one of the very important question, especially for CET. Sum of n terms, okay, sum of n terms of a GP is given up to 20 terms. What is the given? Tell me. The first point, a, first term a is given, and common ratio you find it by using the given condition r is equal to a divided by a1, and also n is equal to 20. Okay, you first write in given a is equal to 0.15 and ratio is equal to a2 divided by a1. What is a2? Is 0.015 divided by 0.15 is equal to, what is the answer? 0.1. And also n is equal to 20. N is equal to 20. 0.1. Okay, if r is less than 1 or greater than 1, tell me. If r is as 100% less than 1, 100% less than 1. Okay, this one you take formula. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಜನರಲಿನೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತೊಗೊತೀನಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೊಗೊತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಓಕೆ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ವಿಶ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಮಾ if r is equal to 0.1, if n is equal to 20. As the regarding of this problem, what is the formula? By using a sum of n terms of a GP, Sn is equal to a into r power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Okay, here what is the a value? Tell me. 0.15. Next, what is the r value? 0.1 whole power of 20, because n is equal to 20, the given rate minus 1 divided by r minus 1 means r, what is that? 0.1 minus 1 minus 0.9 answer. Okay, here numerator minus get common because here the denominator minus is there, therefore obviously here right ma 0.15 to 0.1 whole power of 20 minus 1 divided by minus 0.9 is there. Okay, numerator also minus get common, therefore obviously minus get cancel. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಫ್ ಆರ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಔಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಓಕೆ, 0.15. ಓಕೆ, 0.15. ಹಿಯರ್ 1 minus 0.1 whole power of 20. ಓಕೆ, is divided by 0.9. Okay na, clear? Minus get cancel. What is the remaining portion? What is the remaining? Okay, here listen. Sum of n terms Sn is equal to 0.15 divided by 0.9 means listen ರೀ, here visible here 0.15 divided by 0.9 shifted to point right side, as again 1 shifted here, point shifted here, therefore 1.5 here 9 only, again point shifted here 15 divided by 9 t, okay, 15 ones are 15 6 are, what is the value? 0.15 divided by 0.9 value 1 by 6, because ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾನೆ, here point shifted to right side, shifting, here also shifting 1.5, next 1.5 divided by 9, next again shifting point, as here 0, put here 0 denominator, that 15 divided by 90 is equal to 1 by 6, as 1 by 6 up to here, okay, enough, no problem, 1 by 6 into 1 minus 0.1 whole power of 20, sum of 20 terms is equal to, sum of 20 terms is equal to 1 by 6 into 1 minus 0.1 whole power of 20. It's a nice question, ma. That's very important also. Okay. Sir, ನಾನು 1 minus r power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 ತಗೊಳಲ್ಲ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಸೊ r minus 1 ತಗೊತೀನಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಇಯರ್ 1 minus r ತಗೊತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನಂದ್ರೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಆಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ವಿಶ್, ಯು ಟೇಕ್, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಸಿ ಇ ಟಿ ಎಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆಮ್ಮ. ಸಡನ್ನಾಗಿ ಫಾರ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1 ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೀವು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬಟ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಸಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಈ ಥರ ಬರೆದಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ 8th ಒನ್. ಬಟ್ 8th 9th ಎರಡೂ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ರೀ, ಹೌದಾನೆ? ಬಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ರೂಟ್ 7 ರೂಟ್ 21 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನು ಸಹ ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 8 ಓನ್ಲಿ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್, ಓಕೆನಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್, 8 ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಸಾರಿ 9th ಒನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್, ಓಕೆ? 8 ಒನ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಲಿಸನ್, root 7, root 21, 3 root 7 up to so on. Find out the sum of n terms of a GP. Okay, find out the sum of n terms of a GP. What is the a value? Tell me all of you. That's easy. A is equal to root 7. What is the common ratio? A2 divided by A1. A2 means root over 21 divided by root 7. Therefore, root over 27 divided by root 7 means 7 ones are 7 threes are. Root must be there. Therefore, root over 27 divided by 21 divided by 7. Therefore, root 3 value r is equal to root 3. What is our target? Sum to n terms of a GP. Sum of n terms of a GP. Sn is equal to, find out ma. Our target is Sn, means sum of n terms of a GP. What is the formula? Tell me. Yes, in generally a into r power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Substitute here by using the given data. A is equal to how much? Root 7. As what is r value? Root 3. Root 3 whole power of n. Root 3 can be written as 3 power of 1 by 2. Be careful. Is equal to root 3. Okay. Yes. Next one, ma. As root 7 into root 3, nothing but of 1 by 2. 3 power of n by 2 minus 1. Root 3 value 1.732. Minus 1 means 0.732. What is the answer? Sum of n terms of a GP is equal to, Sn is equal to, tell me. As 100%. As root 7 into 3 power of n by 2 minus 1 divided by 0.732. Okay. The next one, same question, ma. Question number 10 I will do. Yes, okay, do fast. Question number 10. Here x cube, x power of 5, x power of 7, up to so on, n terms. Yes, what is the a value? Tell me all of you. Yes. A is equal to how much? The first one, x cube. What is r value? A2 divided by A1. X power of 5 divided by x cube. As here power 5 is there, here power 3 is there. Get cancel. What is the remaining? X square is equal to r. Therefore, the common ratio. What is the find out? Our target? Sum of n terms of a GP. What is the formula? As 100% sum of n terms of a GP is equal to a into r power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Okay, what is a value? Tell me. X cube. Here what is r value? X square whole power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 means x square minus 1. As therefore 100% you write ma, x cube into x power of 2n minus 1 divided by x square minus 1. Simple. Sum of n terms of a GP is equal to, okay, this is one of the very easy question in this session. easy question. Yes, dear students, the last question of the session of the day is one of the question of the day also. One of the very important question and also small twist is there. Okay, the last question in this session, the last question. Evaluate summation of k is equal to 1 to 11. Yes, again write summation of k is equal to 1 to 11, 2 plus 3 power of k. Okay, 2 plus 3 power of k. What is sum of n terms of a GP? Tell me. Sn is equal to a into r power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Okay, sum of 20 term means n replacement how much? 20. Sum of 11 term means n replacement how much? 11. Sum of 5 terms means n replacement how much? Yes, 5. N replacement 5. Okay, here listen. It's a nice question. Is one of the question of the day. It's very important question. Here summation of, so means summation of sum total from k is equal to 1, k is equal to 2, k is equal to 3, k is equal to 4, k is equal to 5 up to so on 11 terms. Okay, yes, therefore substitute here k from 1 to 11. Test 2 plus 3. Okay, power 1. Next 2 plus 3 square. Okay, plus 2 plus tell me 3 cube. Okay, plus 2 plus 3 power of 4. Okay, up to so on 2 plus 3 power of 11. Okay, clear? Yes. Here observe, first you observe. Yes, 2, 3 power of 1, 3 power of 2, 3 power of 3, 3 power of 4, 3 power of 5, 3 power of 6, 7, 8, 10, 9, 10 up to so on 11. Okay, but how many times 2 is there? The first term, second term, third term, 2 up to 2. So means how many terms? 11 terms. Therefore 2 into how much? It's 11 plus what is the remaining, ma? 2 get common also means 2 separately write. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many times? 11 times. 11 terms. 2 into 11. Okay, be careful. 11 terms. Plus what is the remaining? 3 power of 1, 3 square, 3 cube, plus 3 power of 4, plus 3 power of 5, plus up to so on 3 power of 11. Yes, what is our target? Summation means sum. Okay, here listen, here GP or AP, arithmetic progression or geometric progression. Here 3 square means 9, 3 power of 3 means 27, 9 minus 3 6, 27 minus 9 16 is not a AP. Okay, you check it. GP na? Sure, 100%? Yes, 100%. Ma. Very good. 3 square divided by 3, 3 only. 3 cube divided by 3 square, 3 only. 3 power of 4 divided by 3 power of 3 is 3 only. The common ratio is 3. Yes, here sum to n terms of a GP. Okay, sum to n terms of a GP. What is the formula? A into r power of, I'll write here small. Okay, ಸಣ್ಣದ ಬರ್ದೈತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿ a into r power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. What is a value? Tell me. Yes, a is equal to 3, r is equal to 3, n is equal to how much? 11. Be careful. Yes, substitute here. Yes, 2 into 11, 22 plus, I'll write directly ma because already given formula. A into sum of n terms, sum of 11 terms. A means 3 into, what is r value? 3 power of 11 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. Okay, yes, therefore 22 plus, yes, multiplied. Okay, 3 power of 12 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ. Okay, minus 3 divided by, yes, right, common, right, first 3 into 3 power of 11 minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, what is the next step? You take LCM. Yes, therefore you take LCM. 2 into, yes, 22 into 2, 44, yes, plus, now multiplied 3 power of 12 minus 3. Okay, 44 minus 3, yes, therefore tell me ma, 44 minus 3, 41. Okay, 41 plus 3 power of 12 divided by 2. Okay, is equal to summation of k is equal to 1 to 11, 2 plus 3 power of k answer. is one of the very important answer is equal to summation of k is equal to 1 to 11 2 plus 3 power of k. Okay, this is very important question, the nice question also. Okay, this is one of the question of the day. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಯು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸಹ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸಿಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲಿಗೆ ತಪ್ಪದೇ ಸಹ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಪಾ.